What's good everyone? So my name is Harsh and in this video we are going to discuss is 69k the top of this bull market or are we entering the bear market? So let's have a look at market. Bitcoin is around minus 15.89% down, Ethereum is around minus 12.13% and many other altcoins are more than 15% down. So before we analyze Bitcoin's chart, please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, press the subscribe button so that it keeps on motivating me to produce more and more content for you. So let's start the video. Now in Bitcoin we had three major bull cycle: 2013 bull run, 2017 bull run and 2021 bull run that is in my opinion currently going on and it is not finished. So in 2013's bull run we topped at nearly $1,181. I so greatly wish that I had purchased a top. But anyway, so we bottomed at nearly this area around $152. So after we bottomed, the price rallied, and along with price rallying we had many small correction, like over here we had nearly 26% correction. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit more, and over here once again see we have around 37% dip. Still market continued rallying, look, and here once again around 39% dump. So many such dumps. Before we ultimately topped in 2017's December, there were many 37 to 40% dumps. Here also we had a decent dump. Over here also in July of 2017 we had a decent dump, but the rally continued. So this 40% dump, I don't think it's all over. So why it won't continue dipping? Okay, so why haven't we reached top? So I drew a Fibonacci retracement from the top of 2013 to its bottom. Alright, and then over here look, it almost tested 4.618 Fibonacci ratio, and then it dipped and nearly took support over here at 2.618. okay, so once again around 40% dump it must have been, and then again the price continued rallying and finally it topped over here. So it is way ahead from 4.618 Fibonacci ratio. Now if I draw such Fibonacci ratio in 2017's bull rally, so you must have seen here, look, in December 2017 price topped. I drew a Fibonacci ratio from this top to the bottom at over December 2018. Yeah, 1 year bear market. That sounds terrible, right? But anyway, so right now we haven't even tested 4.618. Look, 4.618 is at 80,311. So we are going to test it, and it's high probability we are going to go far about 4.618 ratio like here we went in 2017. So we haven't seen enough of a bull rally yet to declare 69,000 as a top. Now this may be inaccurate because Bitcoin hasn't given us enough number of years to make a perfect technical analysis, but considering past 10 years data, we can say that we haven't yet topped. We would at least go to 80,000 if not 100k. There's a high probability that we might face resistance over here at 4.618 and then revisit this area of 2.618, take support and continue the bull rally. But right now I don't think it's the top. I don't think we have seen enough big of a rally to consider it as a top. Now I am not a financial expert. I am a 19-year-old trying to learn cryptocurrency market, so I may be wrong, but I was observing this morning and I found out that this shouldn't be top, right? So please don't take it as a financial advice. It's all my opinion, and please take it just as a reference purposes and do not ever take trades based on my video. Okay, so yeah, so right now this area stands strong support 2.618. if if we have a weekly closing below it, then things might sound bearish. Not just one weekly but 2 or 3 weekly closing below this area of 2.618 Fibonacci ratio, then things might be of a concern. But right now I think that we bottomed over here nearly at 42,000. And even if we didn't bottom, we, in Bitcoin's market or cryptocurrency markets, it's really difficult to time the market. So it's better to not time the market and stay in the market. Staying in the long run. Look, even if I bought the top of 2017, I'm in a huge profit, right? So we should invest it for a long-term purpose basis to make generational wealth. And during this dip, these are not the time to solve. Whales make such a dip to shake out paper hands, and diamond hands buy during such dips. So yeah, we should definitely buy it. Even if it dips further, we should keep on buying more. Yeah, alright, we shouldn't go all in cryptocurrency market, but some amount we should regularly keep on buying it to make a good amount of wealth after 10 years, after 20 years, because it's all about the long run, right? So which coins shall we buy in this dip? Yeah, Bitcoin definitely. I bought Bitcoin. Ethereum, yes, definitely worth the buy because it's discounted, hugely discounted, right? Solana, I bought Solana because large cap coins like Solana and AVAX recovers really fast from the dip. So I added some Solana to my bag. Cardano, yes, huge potential. Cardano, it can go even 2x from here. So Cardano is one worth buying. Alright. Polkadot, considering bullish events like Parachain event or Parachain auction, my bad. Polkadot should be added in this dip. AVAX, as I told earlier, even I bought AVAX personally, and AVAX should be in everyone's portfolio, in my opinion. Alright, Polygon Matic, it hasn't deep as much. I mean, it just rallied yesterday, and it's still, but you can consider it buying it. Uniswap, once again, a really good project. Algorand, huge potential. So these are some coins, some large cap coins. Large cap coins have relatively less risk. So large cap coin one should consider buying. So that's it for today. Once again, we hope that 69k isn't the top of the market. I'd keep on update you about the market. That's it for today. So take care and have a good day.